All right. Second exercise in this little series is where we're going to really start to emulate the gait pattern. All right? I'll set it up like this so you guys can see this. Okay. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you the lower body piece. All right? When we walk, one leg, the hip flexes, and the other leg, the hip extends. All right? So, the hip that extends, you're going to bridge up on. The hip that's flexing, you're going to pull your knee up toward your chest. All right? And it just looks like this with the legs. Right? Extend, flex. Extend, flex. Back and forth. It's just going to feel a little different because we're laying down instead of standing up. Okay? Let's see what that looks like. All right. Now, we're going to add the arms into that motion. And in walking, or the gait pattern, when our left leg flexes, our right arm flexes, okay? And vice versa. When our right leg flexes, our left arm flexes. So that we've got sort of a reciprocating motion going, all right? So if you were going to look at it from this perspective, when I flex my right hip, I flex my left arm. I'm extending my left hip, so I'm pushing my left arm into the floor, and that's extending my shoulder, all right? So we're moving like this. All right, let me show you that from this perspective, all right? Right? Flex, flex. This leg's extending. This arm is pushing down into the floor, extending. Now you reverse that. All right? So I do the same thing with this exercise. I'm going to get a total of 10 repetitions. That means 10 repetitions on each side. All right? So now this is the gait pattern. We're getting the correct muscle contraction and sequencing, but we're laying down instead of standing up. So the effect that gravity has on us gives us a little bit of a different sensation or perception of it, which makes you work a little harder from your central nervous system perspective. And that's why this training ends up working so effectively. All right, so that's the gait pattern. Give it a try.